Hello and welcome to Make Your Own Castle tutorial. For today's tutorial you will need a pencil, pen, ruler, rubber and something to colour with. Step 1. Mapping out the basic shapes of your castle with pencil. If you have a set of pencils, use one with a hard lead like a 2H. Don't worry if you don't, because drawing lightly with any pencil will do the trick. Castle basics. Two things to remember about drawing castles: have different heights and asymmetrical shapes work better. Here you can see the basic shapes to start with: rectangles, triangles, squares and other shapes. To help show how to start, here's a video of me drawing the basic shapes of the castle. Feel free to press pause now and use this picture to help as a guide. Step 2. Now that we have our basic castle structure, we can add further details to bring the castle to life. We will be paying attention to typical castle characteristics and drawing on top of our light pencil drawing. You can use the same pencil as before for this. Here are some tips for building good detail on your castle. Spiky details look good. Castle windows or higher up walls to protect. Remember, turrets are usually cylinders, so you should curve the edges. Adding details like fences and balconies will add to the final feel. Finally, have fun inventing your own little details and don't worry too much about things looking perfect. Here is a video of me drawing a little bit more detail onto the basic shapes to build the castle up. Feel free to press pause now so that you can have a go yourself. Step 3. For this step we are finalising the castle by going over what we've done with pen and adding finishing touches. Because we'll be rubbing out the pencil marks underneath when we're finished, it's best if you use a pen that won't smudge. If you want, you can also use a ruler to straighten up any lines. Pen work. This is the final stage of drawing. Go over the guidelines you made in pencil with pen, and when the ink is dry you can rub out the pencil. Feel free to add in any little details you'd like. You can see I've added some roof tiles, cracks and brick shapes. Here's another recording of me adding in the pen. You can see I'm adding in little details like bricks, fences, planks in the door, stonework and cracks, different little things to make it more interesting and add a little bit of spookiness. It's completely up to you how much or how little extra detail you'd like to put in. I've added in things like roof tiles and little decorative bits on the side of the castle just to give it that extra bit more realisticness. When you finish with the pen, you can rub out the pencil underneath. Feel free to pause here and have a little bit of time to complete your own castle. Step 4. Add colour and tone. For this step I'm using base colours with a bit of pencil shading on top and have chosen to keep it dark and spooky. Feel free to use any colours and methods you want. I've included a video of my process for ideas. Here you can see I'm putting in the base colours and the main areas of the castle. Now I'm adding some pencil shading over the top to show shadows and different parts of tone in the castle. Thank you again for joining in with the Make Your Own Castle drawing tutorial. We'd love to see what you've come up with. See you later.